Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function to get the first half of a specified string of even length. So given a string that contains even length, so you have to get the first half, that is you have to return the first half of a given string, and this you have to perform using the Python function. So that is a problem statement, and let's try to solve this. So let me define a function that is named as half, and this is my function name, and let's pass the input string, that is, let's refer it as a text. Yeah, so once we get input argument, so let's try to find the middle of the string, and we will be using the string slicing to get the, that is, first half of a string from 0 to the middle. So let's take a middle variable, and that is the integer variable. So let's use a length of the text and try to perform the true division by 2. So this will give us the integer, that is middle string, that is middle index of the string. And now in order to return the first half of a string, so let's use a string slicing. So let's take a text variable, and let's use, that is, from 0 to middle. So we have to return the string, that is the first half. So this is a method to return the first half of a string. And in the main program, so let's take a string, and let's try to get the mid, that is the first half of a string. So let's take a data variable and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a string. So let's say enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in data variable. So now let's directly use a print function and directly call the function, that is half, that is first half of string is, let's give colon, and let's directly call the half function. Yeah, and pass the input string. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the first half of a string. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a string. So let's say ring. So this is my string, and you can see the first half of a string is ri. Let me close this and let me execute it again. And now let's say function, and you can see the first half of a string is fun. Yeah, so let me re-execute it, and here let's say half. So you can see the first half of a string is ha, that is this part. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to get the first half of a specified string of even length. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.